Pawn shop, shame and regret.
Do you have any shame and regret today?
No. Do you?
Yo, peace and love, family. Here we are with another video. Today we have the Jordan 11 Legend Blue. This is going to be this new version. I don't know where these Legend Blues are coming from. They just kind of popped up, being that the low top's coming out, and now we have the mid, which is great. They need to keep doing stuff like that. But I do have a pair from 2014 in a size 9.5 that I'm grateful for having. I've only wore those things like 3 or 4 times, and now I have another pair. This particular pair came from a really good new friend and they hit me up on IG and said, hey, we love the content. We love the content so much, we just want to give you a free sneaker. I mean, you can do whatever you want with it, Colo. We just want to give you something to put on the channel. And I said, sure, send it through. Okay, and real quick, make sure you follow me on the socials. IG and TikTok, that is. Also got the backup channel, Colo Culture Alternative. I keep saying my name kind of funny. And make sure you hit the thumbs up button right now. Go ahead and do it really quick so you do not have to do it later and interrupt the flow of the on foot a little later, you know what I'm saying? So just go ahead and knock it out right now real quick. And as you know, I don't condone I don't condone all that stuff when they say it's fake and all. I just make the videos. Who cares? Like, you can say you don't condone all this stuff and do this and that. And in the description, you can put chapter, the law allows me to. None of that stuff matters. If they want to do something to your channel, they could do it no matter what. But anyway, this is the Jordan 11 Legend Blue. And I think it's kind of weird they're bringing these out now, being that the Cool Gray's coming out this holiday season. So this is not the holiday sneaker. They did that back in 2014. And let's just go ahead and take a look at these. Okay, so the box for these was a little big. Look at all that space that there's still in the box. I don't know how that happens, but I really like the smaller boxes. It helps save space around the crib. But let's go ahead and pull these out. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to go ahead and pull out the retail pair 9.5, and let's just get to it. Boom, there we go. There's a 9.5. So you might have to go back to the beginning of the video when I was yapping, doing the intro and all that stuff, and look at the boxes. The boxes are not the same. That looks more, I want to say, Carolina bluish as opposed to quote-unquote Legend Blue. And the box that I got for these new Legend Blues, the box looks like the Jordan 11 Gamma box, and I was a little too lazy to go grab that box, but it looks more Gamma colored than anything. So that's just one little thing. Like, look at them side to side. The UA is on the lower. Hold on, let me get a little confused. It's on the lower right. Where the right is the UA, the left is the retail. So, I mean, it is what it is. Here's another closer look at what I mean by the box. Now, that pair right there is the retail, and I'm trying my hardest not to get confused. Okay, now you can easily see the newer Legend Blue doesn't look like the OG Legend Blue, and that just might be the case. Consider this an early look, but that just might be the case. Who knows? These might come back out in 2022 or 2023. But there's big differences. One's like clearish, bluish, legendish. The other one's just kind of like a royal blue. But anyway, and before we get too deep into the shoe comparisons, I just want to point out that Jordan wore this sneaker back in the day, 96, 97, I believe. I was in high school. He wore this sneaker in the All-Star game, and that's about it. A bunch of kids at my school had them. I didn't. Now I do. I got a bunch of them. But anyway, so now I'm showing you this just to show you the shape of the shoe. Like, I don't know if it's because the shoe has never been worn at this point, but the shoe shape just looks a little, I don't know, different. I can't actually point it out. Now here's the bottoms, and the bottoms look fine. They're really blue. I'll say that much. Like, the blue iciness it's really icy on this pair, but just kind of look at the shape. 23 on the back, that looks fine to me. I mean, I'm not really the biggest, stickler on the 23 on the back of these. The top down view, and I think there's something with the toe box. There's something with that. There's like a little ruffle or a wrinkle in the toe box right there. Can you see that? But I think that's what's throwing me off. And here's another thing. This thing is not like sparkly like the retail one is. Just wanted to point that out. I'll pull that out of the retail shoe a little later. I kind of forgot as I was doing it now at the time. Now look at the shape of the retail pair. This is 2014 goodness, size 9.5. 23 on the back looks identical. but the shape of the shoe, and I've actually worn this shoe about 4 or 5 times. It's pretty sad to wear a shoe 4 or 5 times considering it's been almost 6-7 years. And look at the toe box right there. It looks perfect. Yes, they're a little dirty. And that's only 4 or 5 times again. And I wiped these off before I filmed them. But no, I didn't. But look at the Jumpmans. Those pretty much look identical. Well, the UA one looks like he's leaning back a little bit more. Look at the height of the patent leather. You got to catch that. To me, on the UA, the patent leather looked a little low cut. Not on the back, actually, but on the sides. But if you look at the sides, it's so hard to tell. The bottoms, the retail with the dirty bottoms. Now, I think this is what I was talking. This is what I was trying to put my finger on. Like, there's a little wrinkle on that UA, and I'm not sure if that's going to, like, form itself out with wear. So we'll have to see on that. And this is just a comparison of the top of the toe boxes and that Carolina blue Jordan tag, which is, well, you can't see it now, but sometimes they move that a little bit to the left and the right. There's the carbon fiber here. I'm not a carbon fiber expert. They always ask me, is that real or not? I don't know if it's real on either shoe. Now, in the black light, there wasn't much going on in the black light. There just wasn't much going on. The only thing that I could see, so this is actually the UA sneaker first. This is the UA sneaker. I believe, yeah, it's the UA sneaker because it has that bump on the toe box, that little lump. So, yeah, I can't find anything. Little couple marks of like ink, but really nothing there. Here's the other sneaker. Yeah, that's definitely the UA because they're still tied up. A little something right there. I don't know what that is. Little ink splatter. But as far as stitching lines and all that, there's nothing to see here. Here's the retail pair, and the main. Look at the retail's sole. Like, it's really bright. To be dirty, it's really bright. So I don't know what materials they're using to make the bottoms. Let's put them side to side. The UA is to the left. The retail is to the right. One's bright, one's not. Why? I have no clue. Maybe you guys can help me on that. Oh, and one more thing before we go to the on footing. I just wanted to point this out. There's that greatest player ever, whatever. And for some reason, I didn't show that on the UA sneaker. It doesn't matter, but this is the sparkly one that it's supposed to be looking like sparkling. Here we go. That's a better comparison because they both just look kind of blue. Further away, I mean, you guys can see there's a difference in color. There's a difference in sparkle.
So do people go there to get rid of all their shame and regret?
Never been. I don't know.
But you want to go, don't you?
A little bit.
You kind of want to go. I'm gonna walk up to the door just to see what happens. Should I do that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, come on, what are you guys doing? What's going on?
we're just filming. We didn't know this place was even here.
We thought it was
It's
a
the
pawn
number one
shop.
strip joint in the world, man.
Strip joint?
Yeah, you guys come
No,
in and
it's
see all the
not.
chicks. Yeah, shame or regret. Come on, you got strippers in here.
No way.
No.
The kind of people we seen coming in here were like,
Have you been in? You can
Never.
take a look if you want. Just look.
let us get done filming.
Oh,
And
you gonna film? Yeah, come on in.
let's get done filming.
It's amazing. It took me a little while to build it, but it's sexy. All right, come on in.
What's in there? What's in there?
That's the owner, yo.
This could probably work right here. Like
Yeah.
this whole piece right here. What do you think? Pull it
yeah.
off?
I like it.
I like the stairs too.
Ooh, I like those stairs.
Oh, yeah. Huh? Is it reggae?
Rooftop up there.
What do you think? Ah.
Should we try it? Let's go. Are you scared?
No.
Go ahead and thumbs up real quick. There we go.
Look,
You're telling me this has been here the whole time?
the whole time.
Whoa. This is amazing. It's not the biggest one. It's not like the Denver one we did. But we're here.
Yeah.
This will work. A weird truck over there. Looks like it's been there for a minute.
I like it.
Let's finish this on feet real quick.
Oh, my hat.
Yo, there's a guy in there.
Somebody's in there?
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
Somebody's in that truck.
Yeah.
Just sleeping.
No, he looks like he's smoking.
He was up?
Yeah.
What?
I think that's the Dutch master, dude. I'm
But
serious.
somebody was in there though, for
Yeah,
real.
yeah.
Okay.
Like, that'd be the way to do it.
So Comac went to go handle some business, and I think I'm just gonna get the on foot done right here. This is a good spot. We've been looking for a rooftop up here for like months, and we finally found one, so this is good. It's kind of weird like doing a video with a guy that is on my shirt. You good? Good to go?
Yeah.
Good to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
This was a good shoot. This was a good shoot. Good shoot, good shoot. And it's weird. I think that guy that owns that spot, these are probably his 2 Teslas. Like, if you got 2 Teslas, you're good. But this is pretty much, you can hold it.
I'm just gonna do this.
You can put a hand behind. He's a good guy. There's a spot on this side we need to go to. I think it's over there. You know, all that liking and subscribing, that's cool too. But just watch another video. Like, if you guys just like watched another video after this video, that'd be dope. Thank you, Lisa, for the Legend Blues. You always come through in the clutch. And we're out. Peace. You can cut it.